Mastering English phrases. Understanding stressed to the max. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common but expressive phrase, stressed to the max. Whether you've heard it in movies, read it in books, or stumbled upon it in conversations, understanding what it means can really help you grasp the emotional states people talk about in English. So, let's get into it and unlock the nuances of this phrase together. Stressed to the max is a colloquial expression used to describe a state of maximum stress or anxiety. When someone says they are stressed to the max, they're essentially telling you that they are experiencing an extreme level of stress, to the point where they cannot take on any more pressure. This phrase is a vivid way to communicate not just being stressed, but being overwhelmed by stress. To fully appreciate this expression, let's break it down. Stressed. This part of the phrase refers to the feeling of being under too much emotional or mental pressure. Common causes of stress include work, personal relationships, or financial troubles. To the max. This slang term amplifies the degree of stress being described. Max is short for maximum, which means the highest possible level or amount. Together, to the max serves to emphasize that the stress level has reached its peak. Understanding how to use stressed to the max in conversation can be quite helpful. Here are a few examples. With all these deadlines coming up, I'm stressed to the max. He's been stressed to the max ever since he started his new job. Notice how the phrase can be easily integrated into sentences to express a heightened state of stress. It's common in both spoken and written English, particularly in informal settings. English is rich with phrases to express being under a lot of stress. Knowing these can help you vary your language use and understand others better. Here are a few. Burned out, exhausted due to overwork or stress. At wit's end, so worried, confused, or annoyed that you don't know what to do next. Overwhelmed, having too many things to deal with or having strong emotions that are hard to manage. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be stressed to the max, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations or writing. Understanding expressions like these can add depth to your English communication and help you better express your feelings and experiences. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English is a journey full of discovery. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.